So we at Naughty Threads have come up with this very flexible learning model, which gives you flexibility to access our pre-recorded courses from wherever you want, from whichever device you want, and at whenever you want. So basically, we have come up with this pre-recorded course model. So far, we have published 20 plus courses, and we have uh, around 200 plus students who have enrolled in our courses so far. We went live last July, and from then we've got a very good response, and a lot of them are making use of this flexible model. So just in case if you are working and if you cannot spend time during the weekdays, then our model suits the best for you. So basically, what is the difference between the pre-recorded courses and the live course? So when it comes to the live course, you will have to be there live, or you have to join the Zoom call or through any other medium that the class is going on, and you have to spend uh, 1 to 2 hours along with the tutor in order to learn the art. In case if you miss the class, then it's very difficult to catch up because you've missed one class, and then when you come back the next day, you've missed that, and there is no revisiting, and you just have to continue with the next class. So here in the pre-recorded model, it gives you flexibility to learn at your own pace. In case if you do not have time today, that's absolutely fine. You can again log in whenever you are free, and you can access the course. So what exactly, I mean, how does it benefit us when it is a pre-recorded course? And lot of you have a fear saying that will I be able to learn, there is nobody to guide. So I am here to clear all such doubts today. uh, it is just that the courses are pre-recorded. That doesn't mean you're not going to get any support from my end. You will get a complete support from my end. So whenever you enroll in any of the course and you come across any doubt, a small doubt or a major doubt, doesn't really matter. You can just send me a voice message on WhatsApp, or share pictures of your work on your WhatsApp and ask your doubts, and I will straight away clarify them through WhatsApp. So that is how it is. So don't fear thinking that you're not going to get any support. You will get support from me personally. And the best part is you will have these courses with you for your lifetime. For example, due to some event or some emergency, you've enrolled in the course and you are not able to continue in this month. Now, in case if you are in a live course model, then it's a loss for you. In case if you cannot continue and finish it. But in case if you are in the pre-recorded model, then you will have access to these videos for your lifetime, and you can access them whenever you are free. So this gives you the flexibility of learning at your own pace, and there is no fixed timing or duration for you to finish the courses. So that's the benefit of enrolling in our pre-recorded course. Hello everyone, and this is Kanika here from Naughty Threads. A lot of you had questions on how to use the website to enroll in our courses. So I'm going to give you guys a quick update on how basically you are going to access the courses through our website. So this is the interface. This is how our website looks, and as of now we have published so many courses. There are a few free courses as well for which you do not have to pay anything, and there are a few courses which are below 150 rupees if you see. So let's see how we are going to get to this page. So first of all, let's open the browser. You can use Google Chrome or any browser basically, and then in the address bar here you're going to type www.naughtythreads.com. So that's our website. So you're going to type that and hit enter. You can do this on your laptop or on your phone. Both will work equally well. So this is the home page. As soon as you get to our website, this is what you see. And you can just scroll down and you can see a few of our top courses. But In case if you want to view all the courses, then you'll have to click on this option here, the very first option, which is courses. So click on courses, and that is when you will get all the courses that are published so far. So we have a basic shuttle tatting course, which is priced at 1699. But for each course, there is some additional discount, which we are going to talk very soon. So first, let's go through what all courses we have. We have a basic shuttle tatting course, and then we have traditional sari kuchu course priced at 1900. Now this particular course includes 35 designs, right? And then we have basic ari work course priced at 1999. This is basics of crochet, where you're going to learn different types of stitches used in crochet. Next, it is the crochet square earphone pouch. You will see the description of the course and the price on this home page itself. So you will see the discounted price as well as the actual price. So I think this is pretty much self-explanatory. This is how you will know how many courses are here, and there are a few free courses which you need not pay. You can just enroll by entering your personal information like email address, your name, your contact number, and from which state you are. So if you provide all these details, you can simply enroll in our free courses. So this is how our main course page looks. All the prices are mentioned upfront along with the course. Now, how to check the details of one particular course? Now, for example, if you want to enroll in our traditional sari kuchu course, which is here, you see that the price is 1900. You just click on this course, and then you will see the complete course description as to what is included here. So you will read something about the course here, and then you will also have the syllabus. So whatever main headings you see, each one will have an arrow. You will just have to expand that arrow and check the videos under this heading. So we have an introduction where I can watch without even paying. So I can go ahead and watch the
Hello,
introduction
this
video
is Kanika
without
here,
making a
and
payment.
you are.
Even before I enroll, I will understand what is covered in this course, right? Uh, that is how this is. And next, you will see this will have a lock symbol. This is the next bit of the course which is locked, because obviously we have not enrolled in the course yet. And then you will see the number of videos here. So as I mentioned earlier, this particular course has 35 designs, and you're going to see all 35 designs along with the basics of sari kuchu, how to prepare the tassels and all of that. So these videos will get unlocked only after you make the payment and enroll. So that is how it is. And all the details are mentioned here. Once you enroll, you will also have a discussion forum where you can go ahead and post your questions or post the pictures of your work. Next, in case if I want to go ahead and purchase this particular course, it is straightforward. I do see a button which says buy this course for 1900. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this. So when I click on this, it will take me to the payment page. So before it takes me to the payment page, it will ask for certain details like your name, your contact number, which state you belong to. You will have to enter all that. Because I'm already signed in, it did not give me that option, but I think that's pretty much straightforward. You guys have to just enter the details. So now here again, add your details like your contact number and your email address. Make sure to use the same email address, right? And then click on proceed to payment. So on the payment page here, you have lot of options. You have card, which is again like the credit card or the debit card. We have UPI payment options. You have wallets like Amazon Pay, Ola Money, Phone Pay, Freecharge, Airtel Payments Bank, and MobiKwik. And then we also have net banking. We have pay later as well, so you can check if your number qualifies for that. And then we have some EMI offers. So under EMI, you can use credit card, only few banks are listed here, about 5 banks. If you have the cards of one of these banks, you can go ahead, or you can also check the cardless. Again, it depends on if you are eligible for this or not. So in case if you are eligible, you can avail the CMI feature. If not, then you'll have to make the payment in one shot. So that's about the payment page. So these are the payment options available. So I will also go ahead and show you guys how to check the other courses which have some additional discount. Now, for this particular course, there is already a discount here. The actual price is 3,200, and then the course will cost you 1,900. But for the shuttle tatting course, you will see a discount coupon here, which will give you up to 25%. So the minute I click on buy course here, it will give me the pop-up saying you saved 200 rupees on this course, which means I just have to pay 1499 for this course. So the coupon will get auto applied here, and then we can click on proceed to make the payment. So for most of the courses, there is a discount coupon. So do check it out. I'm going to show you guys one more course which has this kind of a discount coupon, which is this RE basic RE work course. So actually we have priced it at 1,999, but there is up to 60% off. So when I click on buy course, it will almost give me a discount of 1,000 rupees. So basically you're going to get this basic RE work course for 999 only. Just at 999, you're going to go ahead and get this course. Now, to see what all is covered in this course, you guys know, just scroll down and you will see the syllabus here. You will see the detailed syllabus. So there is beadwork and stonework, embossing, zardosi work. All these will be covered, and then there are a few, excuse me, sample pictures for you to practice as well. So all these you can go ahead and download once you enroll in the course. So once you finish the course, you will also get a digital course completion certificate. So that's how easy it is to work with our website. Once you purchase the course, you will be able to see it in the dashboard. So your dashboard will look slightly different. Now I have signed into my personal account. So the minute you log in, to log in, basically you have to click on login, and then you can either continue with Google if you have a Gmail account, or you can click on the second option, continue with email. So here you will type in your email address, type in the email address and type the password, and then you can click on next to set up your account. So this way you will log in, and you once you purchase the course, you will see an option called as library or dashboard. So under that you will see all your purchased courses. Now let's quickly take one example. Now there is a free course here. I'm going to click on this. I will click on get course for free, and then I will do continue with Google, because I do have my Google account. So I'll just sign in using my Google. So in case if you have the Google account, you can go ahead and use the same account. So as soon as I finish my sign up using the email
Hello
address,
everyone, this is
the
Kanika here,
course
and
will get unlocked here, and I will be able to see all the courses. So in case if you want to post your questions, you can use this discussion forum. You can type it here, you can also add your image, and you can post it. So this particular part, everybody can see. It's not only between the tutor and the student, but it is a complete public forum, so everybody will be able to see your pictures. So that is how it is. And yeah, you can basically go ahead and enroll in any course you want, and this is how you will get the dashboard option. Now, apart from that, we do have this option called as membership, where you will be paying a monthly fee of 499 rupees, and this is going to be like a monthly billing. So every month, if you pay 499 rupees, you will get some exclusive content, member-only content, which is not available for non-members. So how to identify what is the content members are going to get? So basically, you can see this orange flag here included in membership. So you will be able to access all of these in the membership program. So you don't have to pay for these courses separately. Now, for example, this is around 300 and this is 100. There will be more member-only courses that will be added. So whatever membership fees you're paying, all these courses will be included in the membership, and the non-members will not be able to view it. So apart from that, we also have something called as a digital product. Recently, I launched my first Ari work sketchbook for Sari Kucho, where we have 50 unique designs. So we are shipping the physical book as well, but just in case for people who want to save on the shipping cost, you can just go ahead and download this document. You just have to pay 199 rupees, download this document, and then you can print it in A3 size and use it. So there are 50 designs which can be used as waist belt designs, sari kuchu designs, or in sleeve designs. So that's about the digital product, and there will be quite a few webinars uh, going forward, where on the 8th of October I did this webinar for 199 rupees, and in case if you enroll in any of the webinar, you will have access to it for lifetime. So all our courses have lifetime access. Even when you click on the course, it will show you that it comes with lifetime access. So same way, you can go ahead and check out the website, and you can also check out the testimonials that people have left on the course after they have finished the course. So you can just go through them, and if at all you have any doubts or questions, you can reach me on my WhatsApp number.